Welcome to the XUCPA channel. If you're watching this video, today is February the 12th and it's a meaningful day for our entire firm and all the CPAs or all the tax preparers and professionals in this country, because today is the first day that we can submit tax return to the IRS. For some of the taxpayers, it can be frustrating when it comes to filing taxes, but as a CPA, I am really excited because as a tax planning firm, we have been planning for business owners and individuals throughout the year 2020. So we cannot wait for all this to come to fruition for business owners and individuals to realize how much money they have saved. And the best way to prove it is to help them submit the tax return as soon as possible. For those of you who don't understand what is tax planning, the purpose of tax planning or the purpose of proactive tax planning is really to help business owners identify the legitimate deductions to reduce their tax balance efficiently and effectively so we can increase their cash flow. If you want to understand the tax planning process of XUCPA, you can check out this video. This video is a little old because it was recorded in year 2020, but I promise you there'll be a new video soon, but the process will be the same, so I encourage you to check it out if you want to reduce your tax balance. Today, this video, we're not going to talk about a ton of tips because I want to kind of keep it simple to tell you 3 important tips you need to be mindful of when you file your tax return this season or this year. Now, if you want to check out more tips that I've shared with you last year and this year, you can check out all this series of videos. It's 30 tips that I've shared with you on how you can reduce your taxes this year. So the first important tip that you need to be mindful of when you submit your tax return is charitable donation is now a deduction above the line. So if you have made charitable donation, then up to $300 you can deduct it for sure, even if you don't file a Schedule A, which is itemized deductions. If you want to understand more, please check out this video. Now, the second tip I want to share with you is the recovery rebate credit. Those of you, if you're a single filer and you have income less than $75,000, you need to disclose all this stimulus money when you file your tax return. And the intent is that if you have not received your check, then this is a perfect time for you to disclose, and then you would get your check and you would get your refund from the IRS. The third thing I want to talk about is the distribution. So on distribution, it's a coronavirus related relief for IRA. So for those of you who have retirement savings in IRA account, this year there's an exception. There is no additional 10% penalty for your first $100,000. If you take out those $100,000 because you are maybe you're a victim of COVID-19, or you have been laid off or furloughed because your employers can no longer keep all the employees because their business are suffering. If you're business owners, either you have to experience a complete lockdown or shutdown, or your business is affected because of full or partial suspension. So if you have any of these scenarios, then if you need IRA money, if you take it out, then it is actually not subject to the 10% penalty. Now, the best part is that you don't have to pay your income for the entire $100K in the first year. You can actually spread it out to 3 years. And another good news for you is that, let's say if your business recover and everybody get their vaccine, then you suddenly recoup and your business recover and you make more profits and you have the cash, you want to pay back your IRA. In that scenario, if you repay this entire $100K back to your IRA account, then those income are not considered taxable. So if you have already filed your taxes this year and you disclose income of $33,000, you can actually amend your tax return next year to claim back those money. If your intent is to repay back and you have already repay back the full amount, then you can file an amended tax return to claim back money for the taxes that you have paid this year. I know all this topic can be confusing. If you need help, please reach out, and as usual, Please support us. We need your support, and if you can like, share, and subscribe, that will be great. And we will talk to you more tomorrow. Bye bye.